Now, I want you to hear you talk. We're going to show them that you're not a wall. Do you understand? I want you to talk to me. All right, now. I want to hear you say it. I've got to hear how you say things. I'm not going to hurt you, but I've got to understand how you say things. I've got to hear them. Very slowly, I want you to say yes. Say yes. Yes. Good. All right. Now, just once more, say it again. Yes. Yes, I can understand that. That's good. That's very good. All right, now, I'm going to say some words to you, and I want you to repeat them. Do you understand? Say, hello. My name is... Hello. My name is... John.